Hello friends, welcome to Programming with Rakesh. In this video, I'm going to explain you why we should use Angular. So there are a couple of points I would like to mention here. The first point is we can write declarative code in Angular. So in JavaScript, what we do, we used to write imperative code. Imperative code means the code that we want to achieve is written in a step by step manner. So let's say we want to select a DOM and then we want to apply some click event into that. So using JavaScript, we need to write the code to select the particular DOM element and then apply the click event. But with Angular, most of the things are done by Angular. So in Angular, basically, we are writing a declarative code. Let's say, for example, we have ngif or ng for. So these are declarative code. So the for loop or the if condition is being handled by the Angular. The second point why we should use Angular is the separation of concern via components. So in Angular, we have the concept of components. So a web page can be converted into multiple components. Let's say we have a web page of the home page where we have the top section, bottom footer, the left section or the side containers. So as a developer, you can work on each component separately. And if you want to work on some other component, then you can choose to work on another components. So it's very easy to work on even Git or Jira, so the other developers can work separately. So it's very easy. The third point is we can use object oriented programming concepts and principles in Angular. So as a programmer, if you are switching from Java or C++ into Angular, and you already know object oriented programming, classes, inheritance, so those concepts can be used in this Angular framework. Okay. And finally, we do use TypeScript. TypeScript is a scripting language developed by Microsoft, which is used to write JavaScript. So basically, browser doesn't understand TypeScript, but once TypeScript is executed, it converts the TypeScript into JavaScript that a browser can understand. So these are the four features, friends. Because of that, we should use Angular, and it is very easy for us as a developer to work on Angular. The code will be more configurable, more error prone, and the code can be separated into different components. I hope this video is clear to you. If yes, then do subscribe my channel. Let's meet up in the next video. Thank you.